Now, there are more concerns this evening about the number of students who've not been re-engaged in schools. The principal of at least one school in Clarendon wants programs to be crafted to deal with the current reality. Here's Anthony Lugg with that report.
In January, the Ministry of Education rolled out its Yard to Yard Find the Child initiative, a national call to action to identify, locate, and re-engage students. 3 months later, hundreds of students island-wide are yet to be located. Textile Christie is principal for Kellett's High School in Clarendon.
In this region, when I checked, Kellett's High School had the largest dropout. I don't know about the statistics of others, but I know my statistics are pure. And of a number of students, we still have 88 students that we were unable to find.
Earlier this week, JTA President Winston Smith called for parents to take responsibility for their children's education by ensuring they attend school. This amid reports that over 32,000 students have not been engaged in school since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020.
Parents on a whole, they must know where their children are or their child is at this point in time. Every single parent ought to know that. Now, if your child is not at school, it is incumbent on the parent to ensure that such information is passed on to the school.
Some here are working. And that's good, because when you speak with them, they say no, they're able to buy stove for their mother, they're able to have pocket money and so forth, so they're not coming back to school.
But while some students have taken up legitimate jobs, others have joined gangs and are also engaged in illicit activities, triggering calls for intervention.
We have to find ways to help them, to meet them, because this is the reality, the new kind of students. And sometimes we want to capture and keep people in a can. No, we have to look at the reality and we change to meet the reality.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.